ওকে, আচ্ছা, স্ক্রিন ভিজিবল তো? দেখা যাচ্ছে স্ক্রিন ইজ ভিজিবল? এভরিওয়ান প্লিজ রেসপন্ড। স্ক্রিন ইজ
Yes,
ভিজিবল
Yes,
আই
sir.
sir.
থিঙ্ক। ওকে ফাইন।
Yes, sir.
ওকে ফাইন, চলো, ফার্স্ট কোয়েশ্চেন ইজ ভেরি ইজি, আই নো। চলো, a square plus b square plus c square given, a plus b plus c you need. So we will start with a plus b minus c whole square, and I have taught you the initial three terms will be square, a square plus b square plus c square. Acha, plus 2, this much is same, and then it is plus ab minus bc minus ca. Just looking at the sign you can write that. Now this much value is given, so it will be a square b square c square, it is 89. So up to here it is 89 plus 2, this value is also given, it is 16, and it is 89 plus 32. If you add this up it will be 121. So that's the value of a plus b plus c whole square. Okay. That's the problem. Join. Okay. If you join early, Ritika, chalo. A plus b minus c. So let me write a plus b minus c whole square equal to 121. So in the next step, a plus b minus c will be equal to, then you have to write plus minus root over 121. If you miss this plus minus, in school you will, marks will be deducted. I may deduct -1. Okay, so it will be plus minus 11. So that will be the answer. So plus minus 11 will be the answer. I hope it is clear. It is very easy. Okay, very easy. So if it's clear, we will move on to the next question. Okay, I will. Acha, whatever I am writing, you may be new in this online class, some of you. So whatever I am writing, you will get it in form of PDF. Okay, just follow the class. You don't have to write anything. Just follow it. I will give you in form of PDF. Or if you want to write, you can write as well. Chalo. Next page. Let me import the next question. Sure. It's visible properly, I think. Yes. A sum of 2500 is split into two parts. One part being lent at simple interest and the other part being lent at compound interest. In case of compound interest, the interest is compounded annually. So it is mentioned clearly. So at the end of 2 years, the total amount of interest earned on the sum is 201. So let me first divide this money into two parts. Let me first divide this money into two parts. So what is the money? 2500. So 2500 is divided into two parts. One part will be x, the other part will be obviously 2500 minus x. Okay. Now, one part will be invested in SI, the other part will be invested in CI. Now, can you tell me what will be the preferred part for SI and what will be the preferred part for CI? Anyone? Can you tell me? You see, it.
X will be for SI and 2500 minus X will be for CI.
No. See, it is preferred that you do CI over here because CI's formula is little bit complicated, na? Little bit big formula. So if you have X with it as principal, then it will be easier to handle, isn't it? Now you see, if SI's formula is simple, so if there is 2500 minus X and it is invested for SI's formula is simple, isn't it? So it will be better idea. Mane x becomes the principal. Understood? Understood my point? SI's formula is complex. My little bit big formula. SI is simple. So let single thing x be with SCI. So it will help. So x becomes the principal for CI and 2500 minus x, the other part becomes the principal for SI. So let me find the SI first. So let us do here. So just a minute. Sure. So CI will be principal money, which is x into 1 plus r by 100 to the power, what is the time? It is for, I think, 1 per, what is the time? 2 years, yes. 2 years is
2
the time.
years.
Yes, yes, 2 years. So it is 2. And so this becomes only the amount. Now you have to subtract the principal, which is x. So this becomes the CI. Okay. So I will write x into 1 plus the rate of interest is 4%. You see 4% over here. So 4 by 100, just a minute. 4 by 100 square minus x. So if you cut it 4, it will be 25, it will be 1. So it will be 25, it will multiply 25 into 125 plus 1, 26 by 25. Now if you take x as common, it will be 26 by 25 whole square, and this will be minus 1. Okay, I will proceed further. Here I will write, because I have known space. So 26 square will be how much? 26 square, let me do.
676.
Yes, yes, 26 into 26. If I do over here, 6 to 36, 3, 12, 15, and 12, 1, 4, 5. So 6, 7, 6, 676. So it will be, let me write over here, x into 676 by 25 square is 625, isn't it? 625, just a minute. 625 minus 1. So it will be 676 minus 625. 625 by 625. Here it will be x. So how much difference? What is the difference? 51. 676 minus 625 is 51 by 625. So you can say it is 51x by 625. So that is the CI. Okay, that is the CI. 51. 676 minus 625 is 51. So let us go over here. Let me do it. So it is SI. So SI will be equal to, principal is 2500 minus x is the principal into rate is 4% into time is 2. So it will be 2 by 100. Okay. If you cut it with 4, 4 into 25. So it will be, now if you multiply this with 2, and like this, 2 into this and 2 into this, so it will be 50, 0, 0, right? 25 to the 50, then 0, 0, minus 2x by 25. Okay, so this is your SI. Now, according to problem, this CI and SI you have got, isn't it? This is your CI, left side, and right side you have got your SI. So their sum, the total amount of interest earned on the sum is 201. Mane their addition will be give you 201. So let me write SI. Now according to problem, CI plus SI will be equal to 201. So CI was 51x by 625. So it is 51x by 625, isn't it? Plus SI will be 5,000 minus 2x by 25. So it will be 5,000, sorry, 5,000 minus 2x by 25. This is your SI. And their difference is 201. Now, if you solve it, the LCM will be how much? 625 will be the LCM, because 25 square is 625. So 625 will be the LCM. So it will be as usual 51x plus. Now here it will be 25 into 25 is the 625. So it will be 25 over here. 25, 25 is 625 and to 5000 minus 2x. equal to 201. Now this will be multiplied like this and like this. So let me go for further. So it is 51x plus 25 into 5 is 125, isn't it? And then 3 zeros minus 25 to the 50 x. By 625, this 625 can go up, right? Like this. So it will be 201 into 625. Now this multiplication is big. Acha, but 51 and 50. So it will be 1x. This is 51x and there's 50x. So it will be 1x. Okay, 1x plus 125000 will be this multiplication. So this is big. You have to do nothing. You can help. So 625 into 201, 5 ones are 5. So this is 625. With 0, it will be what? 0, 0, 0. With 2, it will be 5 to the 10, 1, 2 to the 4, 5, 2 to the 12. So it will be 5, 2, 6, 5, 2, 1. 1, 2, 5, 6, 2, 5. Isn't it? It will be 1, 2, 5, 6, 2, 5. So it's 1, 2, 5, 6, 2, 5. This multiplication. Okay? This. Okay. So if you push this to right side, so the value of x will come out to be, let me write, so the value of x will come out to be this 125,625 minus, so I'm doing it here, 125000. So it will be basically 625. Now don't write it as answer. This is the value of x. Please remember, this is the value of x. And what was your x? It is the money invested for SI. It is the money invested, no, for CI, invested for CI. But you see, please see the question. They have asked to find the sum lent at simple interest. X is not we have done for simple interest. They want simple interest. So our target will be this one. This is the x. Understood? Our target is 2500 minus x. So we will find out. Okay, this is 625 is the money invested for CI. Therefore, money lent in SI will be equal to, total money is 2500 minus x, that is 2500 minus 625. It will be 1875. So, and rupees you should write, please. Final answer you should write rupees. That is the money lent for SI. Money lent for SI. I hope it is clear. Please give a thumbs up if you have understood. Please give a thumbs up if you have understood, and if you have any doubt, you can tell me. If you have doubt, you can tell me.
স্যার
Yes. বলো।
আমি তো মানে এসআই টাকে এক্স ধরেছিলাম আর সিআই টাকে 2500 মাইনাস এক্স ধরেছিলাম, তাতেও আমার
অবশ্যই
আনসার এসেছে।
অবশ্যই আসবে, কেন আসবে না?
মানে যে কোনো একটা করলেই হবে তো?
Yes, of course. This is একদম, of course. Do you understand why I took CI as X? মানে এক্সপ্লেনেশন যেটা দিলাম, সেটা
ভ্যালুটা
রিজনটা।
ছোট হবে বলে।
Yes. বিকজ এখানে দেখো, এখানে x এর জায়গায় যদি 2500 মাইনাস x হতো, এখানটা ভাবো, যদি 2500 মাইনাস x হতো, এটা বড় হতো, এটা ইটসেলফ একটা বড় জিনিস, তাই না? নাথিং এলস, নাথিং এলস।
হুম,
Absolutely.
ঠিক আছে।
It is done only for calculation purpose, because already 1 plus r by 100 square হচ্ছে. So if you write a small thing x, it will be easier to handle. But that's it. No further reason. Okay. So moving on to the next question. So it's question number 1C. So, let me save the file. 1C, 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 1C. Chalo. Okay. Is it visible properly? আচ্ছা আচ্ছা, স্ক্রিন দেখা যাচ্ছে তো ঠিকঠাক? Is it clear? The vision is clear? Okay. Okay, fine. Okay. Acha, a man borrows 8,000 at 5% compound interest. Okay, fine. Now, if he repays 1,000 at the end of each year, find the amount outstanding at the beginning of the third year. Okay. So 8,000 is the principal. So let me write, the principal will be 8,000. So rate is 5%. Rate is 5%. Okay. If he nothing is mentioned, so it's component annual. So if he repays 1,000 at the end of first year, let me find out the CI one. CI for the first year. Okay. So I am writing first year over here. So CI will be principal. This is 8,000 into rate is 5 into time will be 1 year by 100. So if I cancel out, so it will be 400. So CI1 is 400. Understood? Now you need to find A1. A1 will be how much? CI plus P plus CI. So principal is 8,000. So it will be 8,000. It is the principal plus this interest 400. So it will be 8400. Understood? So this is the amount at the end of first year. Now he repays rupees 1,000. So from here I will further subtract this repay amount. I will further subtract rupees 1,000 and this 1,000 is repay. This 1,000 is repay and the result will be 7400. Understood? So what is this 7400? This is the remaining A1. This is the remaining A1. Remaining A1. Remaining A1. Okay. Now this remaining A1 will become the principal for the second year. Let me write over here second year. So this remaining A1 is going to be the principal for the second year. Okay. Now for CI calculation, just a minute. For CI2 calculation, so CI2, you need a principal and this remaining A1 will be the principal over here. So that will be 7400. So that will be 7400 into rate is 5% into again 1 year by 100. If you cancel the two zeros, so it will be 74 into 5. So 74 into 5 was the 22, 35, 37. So 370 is the CI2. 370 is the CI2. Now again you find out A2. A2 will be principal plus interest. So principal is 7400. That is A1 basically. Remaining A1. So with this you are going to add the 370. It will be 0777. Okay. Understood. Now here again you have to subtract the repay. Now minus 1,000 repay. Again at the end of year, this is again the repay for the second year. Repay. So the will be remaining will be 67 just 6770. That is the remaining. That is the remaining A2. So remaining A2 becomes the amount outstanding at the beginning of third year, because I have told you at the beginning of third year, no interest calculation, no repay should be done. In the beginning, nothing is there, only the principal. Okay. So this is the amount outstanding at the beginning of third year. So this remaining A2, this is basically the answer. It is nothing but the remaining, amount outstanding. This is the amount outstanding at the beginning of third year. At the beginning of third year. Okay. At the beginning of third year, money at the end of second year, after repay and all. Okay, that's the answer. Understood, everyone? If you have understood, confirm. I hope everyone understood. If you don't understand, you will ask me. Okay, shall I move on to the next question? Yes. chalo, let me save the file. Saved. Chalo, move on to the next question. Input, that is, this one will be 2a. Acha, 2a, 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 2a. Acha, sure. A man borrowed 10,000 at 12% per annum interest compounded quarterly. Okay, find the amount that he has to pay after 9 months. Okay, the time is 9 months, and you know in the formula, n is the number of n is the time in years. So I have to convert this 9 months to years. Let me write the formula first. Acha, here the interest is compounded quarterly, isn't it? Compounded quarterly. So what will be the adjusted rate? The rate is per annum. You see the given rate is per annum. So just rough I will do. So this will be for 12 months the rate is given R. We need quarterly compoundation. Compounded quarterly. So compound quarterly means what is the month? 3 months period. So we need 3 months rate. So for 1 month it will be R by 12. For 3 months it will be R by 12 into 3. So it will be R by 4. If you cancel it out, it will be R by 4. So this is your adjusted rate, that is R dash you can say. So your value will be, rate is given how much? 12%. So R value is 12. When R is given, this value is basically given 12% per annum. So it will be 12 by 4%. That will be 4 is at 12, 3%. So this is your adjusted rate, R dash you can say. Okay, you can directly put it without any adjustment further. So amount will be, just a minute. Let me write here. Chalo. So amount will be principal into 1 plus this R dash, this is adjusted rate, R dash by 100 to the power I into n. Now compounded quarterly. So your I will be 4. 3 is the number of months in quarterly system and 4 is the number of terms. Now n is given 9 months, but remember n should be put in years. So how to do it? It will be 9 by 12, that will be 3 by 4 years. So the value of n will be 3 by 4. So let me write over here, principal is 10,000 10,000 into 1 plus your adjusted rate is basically, you see 3 here, 3%. So adjusted rate is 3 by 100. So it will be I is 4, isn't it? I is 4 quarterly, so I will be 4 and number of years will be 3 by 4. So if you cancel it out, 4, it will be only 3. And here it will be 103. 4 into 100 into 1 plus 3. So it will be 103 by 100 cube. This cube is because of this. I hope it is clear. Now, students, this 103 cube, you don't multiply 3 times, rather you use your expansion knowledge. 103 cube, how to find it? Let me do 103 cube over here.
Question.
हाँ की बोलो.
Sir, if we do this in the SI method, is it a problem?
SI method. SI method.
Yes, sir, I have done it in that.
Yes, you can do, but you have to do 3 times breaking. And
ওইটা
first
আমার
of all,
তাড়াতাড়ি হচ্ছে।
no, first of all, there will be adjustment in the rate. এটা কিন্তু SI method it will be difficult because you need adjustment of rate there. আর you have to show how many terms. Compoundation 3
এই
months.
তার মানে আমার তোমার পরীক্ষায় ভুল হয়েছে।
না না, তুমি দেখো অ্যানসার ম্যাচ করে কিনা। অ্যানসার ম্যাচ করেছে? আমি তো অ্যানসার কি সেন্ড
দেখো স্যার,
করেছি।
তো ধামরা একটা অ্যান্সার কি মেলানো যায় বলো?
না না, কোথায় অ্যান্সার কি
তুমি দেবা
চলো চলো
তখন
চলো
আমি
চলো
দেখে নেবো কি হয়।
ওকে ওকে দেখো ফলো করতে থাকো অ্যান্সার কিও দেওয়া আছে অ্যান্সার কি দিয়েছি দেখবে আচ্ছা চলো লেটস সি তো দিস ইজ লেট মি ডু 103 কিউব over here so 103 means 100 plus 3 whole cube so it will be a cube 100 cube plus b cube 3 cube plus 3ab 3 into a into b a is 100 b is 3 a plus b so 100 plus 3 so 100 cube you know it will be 6 0 1 2 3 4 5 6 3 cube is 27 3 cube is 27 plus this much will be 900 isn't it and this will be 103 100 plus 3 103 is this clear up to this much this much is 103 chalo 900 into 103 is how much you multiply it with 9 9 3s are 27 so 27 0 so 2 I can write 9 ones are 9 and these two zeros we will add up 0 0 I hope understood plus 27 plus 1 2 3 4 5 6 plus now if you add up all are you can see all will fit up you see 1 2 3 4 5 6 and here it is 92700 92700 and here it is 27 you see nothing you have to do 7272910 1092727 understood it's 1092727 so it's the basically value of 103 cube 1092727 okay now it is 102 cube 100 cube is 100 cube also there so 1 2 3 4 multiplied by what is it sorry 1092727 so it is 1092727 by another 6 zeros 1 2 3 4 5 6 so you eliminate the zeros quickly 1 2 3 4 1 2 3 4 so only two zeros so point will be here isn't it so it will be 10927.27 this will be the answer this will be the answer okay understood if you have understood please confirm then I will move on to the next question please confirm don't no hesitation okay no hesitation you just confirm me okay 2a okay 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 you are clapping thank you okay chalo we'll go on to the next question everything you will get in form of pdf acha let me this was 2a na this was 2a we will go on to 2b chalo let me save the file uh, let me import 2b 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 chalo 2b I found it 2b 2b is very easy okay chalo this is 2b let me continue acha a square minus 4a so a square minus 4a minus 1 equal to 0 given so I will push 4a to that side so a square minus 1 equal to plus 4a it was minus 4a over here now we'll bring down a square minus 1 by a equal to 4 now we'll split it splitting a square by a minus 1 by a equal to 4 so it will give me a square by a will give me a minus 1 by a equal to 4 so that we have got and we need to find a square minus 1 by a square so it is basically a square minus b square you see for this you need a plus 1 by a because this is a square minus 1 by a square na and basically a square minus b square formula a plus b into a minus b so it is a minus 1 by a understood a square minus 1 by a square mane a plus b into a minus b a plus 1 by a into a minus 1 by a unit so we already got this We already got a minus 1 by a. We only need this, isn't it? So how to get a plus 1 by a from a minus 1 by a? You can do it by step breaking, or you can do it directly, just like a, you need a plus, so a plus 1 by a, you need to take help of the whole square. So it will be whole square equal to a minus 1 by a whole square. And what is the difference? You have to, this has minus 2ab, this has plus 2ab. So to balance it, you have to add plus 4ab so that both sides become equal. Understood? So minus 2ab के साथ अगर 4ab ऐड करोगे तो it will give you plus 2ab. So for adjustment, I hope you understand. नहीं तो बोलो, you can do step breaking also, no problem. No problem, no problem at all. So you can do this as plus 4a is a 1 by b, 1 by a is b. Okay, so a plus b whole square equal to a minus b whole square plus 4ab. Okay, so this will give you, let me write, so a minus 1 by a, you know it is 4 whole square plus this cancel out plus 4, so it is 16 plus 4, so it is 20. So a plus 1 by a whole square, 1 by a whole square is 20. Therefore a plus 1 by a will be equal to plus minus root over 20. Now 20 can be written as 4 into 5, right? It can be written as 4 into 5. Now 4 is a square number, so it has the license to come out. It has the license to come out, but it will come out as 2. It will not come out as 4. Understood? It will come out as 2 and 5 will be getting trapped because it is not a square number. So this is the value, 2 plus root 5 is the value of a plus 1 by a, plus minus 2 root 5. So here you can put this. Here you can put this. You already know this. So I will write like this over here. So this will be, this one is a plus 1 by a is 2 plus minus 2 root 5 multiplied by a minus 1 by a is 4. And basically this value is 4, this value is plus minus 2 root 5. So ultimately the result will be how much? 4 2s are plus minus 8 root 5 will be the result. Okay, I hope this is clear. This is the answer. This is clear. I hope this is clear. Please let me know. Okay, any doubt up to here? Very good, very good, very good. Solid revision is going on. Chalo, next. Say, let me save the file again. Okay, adding on, this was 2b, so I will go to 2c. I know everyone is waiting for 3a. That's a big question, so wait after this. Okay, this is 2b. 2b is done, na? This 2b. Oh, this is 2b is done, sorry. 2c. Oh, this is a one liner, but you have to make sure that you have 3 steps because 3 marks is given, isn't it? This is a one line question. Please don't finish it in one line. You have to express that this, the interior 6, इसका कोई मतलब है? चलो, this 6 you have to show. ये कैसे आया? चलो, you can write this y minus 6 by y into, you can use third bracket over here. You can write y square plus this 6, you have to write it in the way such that it is AB. Your A is y. Please see students, your A is y and your B is y 6 by y. Okay, understood? So you will write AB. You have to write AB. So A is y into 6 by y. Now don't cancel over here. Y don't cancel because I am showing it that I am expressing it in form of AB. ভুল করে কেটে দিও না, আমরা এটা শো করছি 6 মানে y কেটে 6 হবে, So we are expressing it. So now 36 by y we can write 6 by y whole square. Now that is the form of a cube minus b cube. Who is this Mahapurush? Let me see. Acha, Devdeep, you have joined. Acha, okay, no problem. Devdeep, we are going on with the mock test paper solving. Okay, you can wait.
Okay,
You can
sir.
see. No problem. You can enjoy. But we will again meet everyone together in 10:15 for other doubts. Okay, this you have already covered in Saturday class. Chalo, this is for Tuesday batch. No worries. Okay. Chalo. So I can write this is the basically the formula of a cube minus b cube. So what is the formula? A cube minus b cube formula, that is a minus b into a square plus ab plus b square. Okay, that's the a cube minus b cube, and let me revise. A cube plus b cube, it has the formula of a plus b into a square minus ab plus b square. Please remember this formula. Okay, chalo. So we can write here, this is a cube minus b cube. So y cube minus 6 by y whole cube. We don't need to multiply like a big thing. So it is y cube minus 6 cube is 36 into 6. So it will 216, I think. 36 into 6, is it? 36, 3, 216, yes. So it is 216 into y by y cube. So that is the answer. That is the answer. 3 lines, 3 lines, 3 marks. Basically 2 lines. Now you have to write the question 1 line. Question should be, you should copy. And I have not done it because I have taken pictures. So that will be 3 lines. Chalo. Understood? Understood. We will move on to 3A now. Okay, chalo. We will move on to 3A. Save. Chalo, we will move on to 3A. Board. Test 3A. Okay, this is a big problem. Big one. I don't know, many of you might have not attempted it, but it is very interesting at the same time. Okay, Achha, let me import this the next page as well. I need this 3A, 3A, 3A. Let me import. Need this. Chalo, let me go to the first page. Acha, two persons P and Q. Let me take the ink. Two persons P and Q lend certain amounts at the same rate of interest. Okay, the rate is same rate. So rate is same. Okay, for P is for 2 years, P के लिए 2 साल, and for Q it is for 3 years. For Q it is for 3 years. Okay. Now, just a minute. Chalo, respectively, find their final amounts are in the ratio of 3:5. So final amounts are in the ratio of 3:5. Achha, let me do up to this. So first of all, let me tell you, P is principal. The principal of P, I am taking it as PP. Okay. The principal of Q, I am taking it as PQ. Now P will be invested for 2 years. So I will add the interest of P for 2 years. So amount of P, their amounts ratio is 3:5. No? So amount of P will be AP, actually AP2, AP for 2 years, and it will be AQ, amount of Q, and it will be for 3 years. AQ3. Okay. Now this ratio, what will be the value? Let me write the values also. It will be easier. Let me write the values. So values will be, what is the value? Rate is same. So principal into 1 plus R by 100, principal is PP. So PP into 1 plus R by 100 to the power, it is for 2 years, so 2. Now this is PQ into 1 plus R by 100 to the power 3. Now their ratio is 3:5, means according to problem ATP, their ratio, like AP is to, let me chalo. So according to problem AP2 by AQ3, this ratio is 3:5, 3/5. Understood? Now AP in place of AP, I will write this. It is PP into 1 plus R by 100, 1 plus R by 100 square by PQ into 1 plus R by 100 cube equal to 3/5. Now this term will get cancelled out. You see, this term will get cancelled out. Let me write over here. This power, this entire thing will get cancelled out and it will be 1 power 3. So 2 subtraction, it will be power 1. Understood everyone? This will be power 1. Understood? So in the next, I will write. So I will continue over here. So it will be PP by PQ into 1 plus R by 100 to the power 1. Just a minute. It will be equal to 3/5. Understood? Now let's take a pause. We will read the remaining part of the question. What are the remaining part of the question? You see, Q's amount at the end of first year being 8500. This is given in the question just not to look face. मुख दिखाने के लिए नहीं है. देखो, Q's amount at the end of first year. So what can be the Q's amount at the end of first year? It will be PQ, principal, into 1 plus R by 100 to the power 1. Isn't it? Amount at the end of first year. So don't you think the denominator we have got here, it is nothing but, this is the Q's amount. This is Q's amount at the end of first year. This is Q's amount at the end of first year. This is the hidden information given in the question. Understood everyone? Understood? So let me write. So this value is given 8500. You see, 8500. So I will write. Let me write it equal to PP by 8500 equal to 3/5. So from here we will get the value of PP. It is 3/5 into 8500. So if you cancel it out, you will get 5 into 1700. So it will be 3 17s are 5100. So that is the value of PP. That's the value of PP. PP you have got. PP is got. Okay? Understood? Okay? Till this much, everyone, everything is clear? Everything is clear? Please give a thumbs up, please, everyone. Please give a thumbs up if this much is clear. Thank you. If you have doubt, you should stop me, okay? You should stop me immediately if you have doubt. Chalo, next. अरे क्या बात है भाई? Why are you joining now? Okay, fine. Acha. Srija, you have joined now. Class is getting recorded, so you can see the recording. No worry. We are doing 3A right now. Chalo. Okay. So PP, we have got this 5100. Now, see, there is another information given in the question. See carefully. There is another information given in the question. P earned an interest of 510 for the first year. That is also useful information. P earned an interest of 510. They are talking about CI1 of P, isn't it? They are talking about CI1 of P. Let me go to the next slide. See, I am writing P earned an interest of 510 for first year. Means they are basically given CI1 of P. CI1 of P. Okay. So what will be the value of this one? This will be PP, mean principal of P, PP into R into 1 year at the end of first year by 100. So this value is 510. So I can write this is 510 equal to PP, you know, 5100 you have found out in the last slide. That's PP. Okay, PP 5100. I'll put the value of 5100 into R into 1 by 100. So from here you will find out the value of rate. Very easy. Two zeros get cancelled out and this 51 will come down. It will get cancelled out and it will be 10. So your rate will be 10%, and rate is found out by using this information. This information. P earned an interest of 510 for first year. The second information given in the question. Now find the ratio of their principals. So let's again go back to our roots. Ratio of their principals. So ratio of the principals means they are asking for the ratio PP by PQ. They are asking for this. Now you see in the previous slide, you will see PP by PQ is already there. You see here. See this. See this step. Please see this step. PP by PQ is already there. Oh, it is not showing. I am marking. Wait, yes, it's come now. See, this is PP by PQ. দেখা যাচ্ছে 3/5 পাশে marking. So PP by PQ is basically here. So 1 plus R by 100. We know the value of R right now. Let me write this equation once again here. PP by PQ into 1 plus R by 100. Let me write once again here. From the previous slide, we will write PP by PQ into 1 plus R by 100 to the power 1. This value was 3/5. Right. So let me write PP by PQ. Just a minute. It will be equal to 3/5. This entire thing will denominator will go up 1 plus R by 100. Now this R you have known. Now you know the value of R, which is 4. So it will be 3/5 into 1 plus 4 by 100. So if you cancel out the 4, 25. So it is 4, 25. It is 1. So 26 by 25, isn't it? 26 by 25? No. It is R is 10%. Sorry. 10%. You should stop me. Okay. R is 10%. Sorry. R is 10%. So it is 10 by 100. Okay. So 10 by 100. If you do cut 1 0, so it will be 10 in 10 into 1 plus 1. So it will be 11 by 10. So 3/5 multiplied by 11 by 10. So it will be 33 by 50. It will be 33 by 50. So that's the ratio. That's the smallest ratio. So that is your answer. So PP by PQ is 33 by 50. So you can write, therefore from here you can write, therefore PP is to PQ equal to 33 is to 50. Answer.
Sir, it is very difficult.
I know. It is very difficult. I know. This problem is not there in the book. So I told you that in your mock test, whatever I will take, there will be problems from book. There will be problems from other books. There will be problems. Other books means those topics or those questions type that is not covered in your book. I have many books, so I will cover from there. And some problems will be my own creation. So you will have a mixture of mock tests. So that will help you to grow very strong. Okay. our mock test, your objective will be to learn, okay, not to score full marks. So be sportive, okay. Take it as a learning process. Chalo. So that's 33 is to 50. Understood, everyone? Please give a thumbs up if you have understood. Please give a thumbs up if you have understood. This problem was difficult and different. I hope you enjoyed the concept. Okay, Saraswat understood. Others, Rishika, Dipriti, no hesitation. না বুঝতে পারলে সঙ্গে সঙ্গে আমাকে বলবেন. No hesitation at all. Okay, Ondrila understood. Okay, Bodua. Okay, very good. Thank you. So let's move on to the next question. Chalo, Srija, you follow from the next question, you will be able to understand. And other questions, you will see the recording. Okay, chalo. Let me add a picture over here. Import image. এটা কত ছিল জানো? 3A. Now we'll go for 3B. 3B. Chalo, 3B. Chalo. So this is a child question. Newborn babies will solve this. Chalo. Newborn babies can solve this
Sir,
very
zero.
easy. Huh? Yes, that's why.
Zero.
Yes, newborn babies can solve this. That's why. Chalo. Here, you can do it anyway. So let me do it up to here. So this is basically the given value is, let me write the value. So x cube plus 8y cube plus 6x square y plus 12xy square minus 125. Now, what is the standard form of a cube b cube formula? That is, we can write it x cube plus 8y cube, we can write 2y whole cube plus this will be 3a square b plus 3ab square, you can write 3ab a plus b, whatever you want. So you can write this is 3a square, a is x, a square, and b is y, that is 2y. 2y is your b. See over here, this is your a, this is your a, and 2y is your b. Is it okay? So 3a square b. So this is 3a square and this is b. Chalo. And 3ab square. Next is plus 3ab square. Plus 3ab square. X into 2y ka square. This is ab square. Let me write. This is 3ab square. Understood? 3ab square. So that will give you 12, na? 2 2s are 4, and you can write, I am basically writing this in form of this. Understood? See, please students understand. I am basically, wait, I am basically writing this thing in form of this thing. Okay, 12xy I am writing like this. And Bahar, in the outside, someone is waiting, our guest, that is minus 125 is waiting outside. No entry. एंट्री नहीं दिया हम लोगों ने चलो सो दिस पोर्शन इज बेसिकली a plus b whole cube so a is x plus b is 2y whole cube and guest is there 125. Now you see we have given x plus 2y minus 5 equal to 0, so it will be x plus 2y, it will be 5 pushed over right side. So if you're taking cube, you have to write taking cube. No, you don't have to take cube. You just put the value over here. This value you put over here. So it will be 5 cube minus 125. So it will be 125 minus 125. It will give you a big 0. Chalo. So this is your answer. I hope it is clear. Clear है कि नहीं बोलो बेटा? Excellent. Chalo, excellent. Let us go on to 3C. Let me save the file. Save, go on to 3C. Chalo, 3C. Import mg 3C. Chalo. আচ্ছা, ব্যাকটেরিয়া কোয়েশ্চেন। ব্যাকটেরিয়া, ওকে, পপুলেশন গ্রোথ, dangerous thing, bacteria, stay careful, keep yourself away from bacteria, cholo, otherwise it can kill you. Now, population of a certain type of bacteria grows by 4, 5 and 8% during the first, second and third year. 4% for the first year, 5% for the second year and 8% for the third year. Find the population of the bacteria 3 years ago. Now you have to understand the timeline. Again timeline concept. 3 years ago. Present population is given. This is present population. Present population. Let us understand the timeline. Now, let me see. So this is P0, মানে present population. And in your timeline, 3 years ago means you are here to here. Understood? So it will be how much? It will be P of -3. Isn't it 3 years back? Understood? So this is back. In timeline, this is back. And in timeline, this is front. Now while putting the formula, you should remember equal to the left side, equal to left side will be front. Front one, P0 is in the front and P of -3 is in the back. Into is growth. Growth is always plus. 1 plus 4 by 100 R1, 1 plus 5 by 100 R2, 1 plus 8 by 100 R3. So always remember this thing कि यहाँ पे होगा front, यहाँ पे होगा front in the timeline and यहाँ equal to right side, it will be back in the timeline. This much is clear. Always it will be front over. In both cases the equation will be same. Now you don't know P3, P0 you don't know this. You can take it as X. No problem. No problem at all. P minus 3, you take it as X. So let me put X over here and let me put 117936. 117936. So it will be 1 plus 4 by 100. It will be how much? Bolo bolo bolo. 4 দিয়ে কাটো 425, isn't it? So it will be 21, 25, 26 by 25. Understood? Next, 520s are 100, 1, it will be 21 by 20. Next, it will be 8, 4 2s are 8, 4 25s are 100. So it will 25 into 1, 25, 26, 27, 27 by 25. Okay, so X. So let me take a big gap over here so that calculation needs this. You need some big calculation, মানে কাটাকুটিস you need. So let me keep space for your katakuti. So X will be how much? This will be multiplied by all the denominators. So X will be 11796 into 25 into 20 into 25 divided by 26 into 21 into 27. Understood? All the things are going down from here, going down, and from here going up, and you get the X as solo. Undo. Chalo, let me start cutting. Cutting starts. Chalo, cutting. So 2 13s are 26. 2 से कटो, क्या होगा 2 5s are 10, 2 8s are 16, 2 9s are 18, 2 5s are 10, then 8s are 16. Na 36. 2 wait. Sorry. 2 5s are 10, 2 8s are 16, 2 9s are 18, 13, 2 5s are 10, 5s are 10. 30, 336. It is what happened? 3. I'm getting confused. Why? কত হবে গো? Tell me anyone? 5 8 9
This is the most
6 6
satisfying sum I have
6 6
seen.
6 6 6 6 it will be 6 2 6 are 12 sorry that's why 2 6 are 12 16 2 is 16 very sorry अच्छा कभी कभी दिमाग हैंग हो जाता है करीब चलो अच्छा now this will be again going with 2 or it will going with 3 3 you can go good चलो let me check it with 3 3 sevens are 21 it will go definitely with 3 I am for sure so check with 3 3 there 3 ones are 3 28 so 3 nines are 27 19 3 6 are 18 1 16 3 5 are 15 3 6 are 18 okay 3 से चल गया another 3 attempt 3 nines are 27 चलो 3 से start करो 3 let us do one by one 3 6 are 18 16 3 5 are 15 okay 15 3 5 are 15 3 2 are 6 no more space you have to come down again with 3 you have to come down no more space I wanted to keep more space so 3 3s are 9 so 3 let me write over here 3 2 are 6 3 1 are 3 25 3 8 are 24 3 4 are 12 again 3 it is visible 3 1s are 3 3 7s are 21 3 2 are 6 3 8 are 24 now this is visible that is we'll go put 7 आराम से चला जाएगा आराम से चलो 7 7 you cut and you to cut it to 7 7 1s are 7 7 zeros are 7 4s are 108 so this is one let me now let me reduce it Ocha 13 is there you know 13 into how much is 104 13 into 8
8.
8 8 so with 13 you can cut 13 into 8 is 104 okay so we got I think everything so it is basically x equal to 8 into 25 let me write 8 into 25 denominator is vanished no denominator left 25 20 25 25 20 and 25
1 lakh.
correct into 20 into 25 okay now see 4 into 25 4 into 25 is 100 so there is another 4 mean 8 is there 25 fours are 100 so 8 into 25 will be 200 so it will be 200 into now this is 25 into 2 50 so it will be 50 so another 0 is there 0 understood so 5 twos are 10 and count the zeros 1 2 3 4 1 2 3 4 so this is the answer value of x so a calculation also I am explaining you so that we don't make mistakes. This is the value of x. X means population 3 years ago. So this is the population of the bacteria 3 years ago. Find the population of bacteria 3 years ago. So the population of bacteria is the answer. Okay, is the answer. So population of bacteria 3 years ago. I hope it is clear. I hope it is clear. It's a big calculation, but it will cut. I have made this one a question, created this question in such a way you will get a good number. This is my adjustments. Okay, chalo. I hope this question is clear. Everyone clear? So we'll go on to the next question. Next part is very easy. So it's okay? Okay, fine. Chalo. Save. Let me add pictures. 4A. Sorry.
Sir, this is very satisfying sum.
Satisfying sum, na? Cutting, you get so much a nice value because this problem I have created. It is not from book authors. So I like getting good values. So when I create problems, I make sure that you get good values. Okay, so that's why I think I want to write a book one day where every problem will cut and give good values. So if I write a book one day, I will make sure that all the values will get cancelled out and you get whole numbers. Chalo.
Okay.
Yes. Acha. Acha. This is let me take let a equal to 50 or you should write 50 equal to a because we are taking 50 as a, na? So let 50 equal to A and 12 equal to B. Therefore, the expression becomes A cube minus B cube by A square plus AB plus B square. Clear? A square plus AB plus B square. B is 12. So I can write over here A cube minus B cube is A minus B into A square plus AB plus B square. This is the formula of A minus B. Okay? A cube minus B cube. Right? Now in the denominator there is already one A square plus AB plus B square present. Now this is also very satisfying to cancel these big blocks together, and it is only A minus B. A is 50 minus B is 12, so answer will be 38. That's answer. This problem also I have adjusted the values and created, because this is type is in your book, but I have only adjusted the values. Understood? Very baby type problems. Okay, next I will go to 4b. Is it clear up to now? I will go to 4b. Chalo, 4b.
স্যার ইউটিউবে নোট দেখাবে তো?
YouTube? Yes, tell me. This video will be uploaded in YouTube.
ইউটি পেপারটা ডাউট
Oh, UT,
দেখাবে
yes,
তো?
yes. Unit test, previous year question. So, unit test I will charge
নো
from
স্যার আই এম নট ইয়েস স্যার
unit test previous year you're talking about, right? So, the unit test previous year discussion I will do from 10:15 or 10:20 after dinner. Understood?
ইয়েস অনলি 3 এমসিকিউজ
Okay. I will discuss. Definitely I will
Yes.
discuss, but after dinner. Let me have some dinner. You also have some dinner. We'll join from 10:20 or 10:30. কি বললে শুনতে পারলাম না বাবা, বাংলায় বলো, কি বললে আরেকবার বলো।
I solved all the problems, but only 3 MCQ.
Yes,
Sir, am I clear? Audible?
yes, now audible.
Sir, am I audible?
Yes, audible.
Am I audible?
Yes, audible. You are having some network issue.
Sir,
আচ্ছা শোনো তুমি ক্লাসটা ফলো করো।
leave.
ওকে, আই উইল হেল্প, ডোন্ট ওয়ারি। চলো, আচ্ছা, let me go to the next question. हाँ जी, चलो होगी। This set 4 is very easy. 4 just set 4 has been very easy. Now difference between components and on a sum of 4,000 interest being compounded annually and the simple interest. One the difference between CI and SI for 2 years. Rate of the interest per annum. Find the rate of the interest. Same rate, isn't it? The rate is same. Annually simple interest for 2 years is that. So find the rate of interest. So same rate, obviously nothing is mentioned, so rate will be same. So you know, just a baby formula. So baby formula is CI minus SI, and this formula is for 2 years. And the compoundation is also done annually, so no difference between CI and SI. No adjustment required. You can use it. 2 years. Rate is same. So it will be principal into R by 100 square. The difference is given. That is 250. Difference is 250. So I will write 250 over here. So I will write 250 over here. Principal will be 1, 2, 3. 4,000 into rate you have to find out, R by 100, R square by 100 square. So R will be equal to, take all above, 250 into 100. So square, so 4 zeros divided by 4,000. 1, 2, 3. So if you cancel it out, 1 2 3 1 2 3 4 there you cancel, 2 2s are 4, 2 5s are 10, and then 2 you do it 125, isn't it? So 125 into 5 you do, no, something is problem I think. So it's r square. Yes, that's why I am thinking it's r square basically. Sorry, that's why. How can the rate come so big? So it is 25 into 25. Okay. R square. Is it okay? Have I put the values correctly? P into R by 100. R square difference is 250. 1234 by 4000. Yes, the value is same. So let me see just 1 minute. 125 into 5 is this much. Yes. Okay, coming. Chalo. So this is 125. Okay. So let me see. R square equal to. So 125 into 5. You can do. What is it? 25 into 25. Isn't it? No, sorry. It is 25 into 5. So 125 is basically 25 into 5. 25 into 5 and another 5 is there. Okay, so you can see the square possible. This is 125. Oh, this is 125. So into 5, this 5 is this 5. Okay, so it will be, see pairing. So it will be, if you take r, so it will be 25, 1 5 will come from here, root over, and from 2 5s 1 5 will come. So rate will be 25%. Rate will be 25%, or let me write it in form of percentage. Rate will be 25%. Please check the answer key that I have sent. Please check it whether it is coming or not. Please check and tell me, confirm me whether rate is coming 25% or not. একজন কেউ confirm করে দাও আমাকে. Please confirm, someone else. Someone please confirm. No, have you confirmed from my
Correct, sir.
answer key? Correct. Okay. So that's 4B.
Yes, sir, 25%.
Okay, thank you for confirmation. So that's 25% is the rate. Okay, now let me go to 4C. Last question for today. Not today, just paper discussion. Import 4C, 4C. Chalo. Easy question. Acha, x greater than 0, x cube minus 1 by x cube. Chalo. Now, x cube minus this value. So what will be the, how can I write this x cube plus 1 by x cube? You see the formula. Let me show you how to use this. So like x plus 1 by x whole cube formula. It is what? It is, let me write like this. It is x cube plus b cube, a cube plus b cube plus 3ab a plus b, na? 3ab a plus b, isn't it? If I can see there properly, a plus, देखो तो confirm कर दो. चलो, we need this, so we can push this part. We need this, so we can push this part in the left side. So it will be x plus 1 by x whole cube. This only plus will go to minus, and this interior plus will remain same. I have taught you this in the class. So 3x I will cancel out. So it will be 3x plus 1 by x. Vector sign will not change. So that's the value of a cube plus 1 by x cube. Okay. So we need to find only a plus 1 by a, and we will get the result of a cube plus b cube. To find the value of this, we just need to find the value of a plus 1 by a. Now you know from a minus 1 by a, you have taught to find the a plus 1 by a, you can do the step break process. So a plus 1 by a whole square will be equal to a, just a minute, will be equal to a minus 1 by a whole square. So a plus b whole square equal to a minus 1 by a minus b whole square plus 4ab. This is minus, so here it is minus 2ab term is there. So you need plus 4ab, so that adjustment it will give plus 2ab. That is the a plus b whole square thing. এভাবে adjustment করতে হয়. So okay, so from here you can write it as plus 4a is x, b is 1 by x. So this will be x4, so it is x1 over root 5 whole square plus 4. Okay, so root 5 is whole square is 5 plus 4, that will be 9. So this is the value of x plus 1 by x whole square. So x plus 1 by x whole square value is this. So you can write x plus 1 by x value, it will be root over plus minus always 9. So that will be plus minus 3. Understood? So that's the value of a plus 1 by x, x plus 1 by x. So you just put the value over here and here. So that will fetch you the value of this one. So let me see, plus minus. Acha, plus minus you can do it separately. Okay, you can do it separately if you want, no problem. Okay, so plus, whenever you're doing is plus, money, when I'm doing it in the next page, when x plus 1 by x equal to plus 3, so let me write, okay, so when x plus 1 by x equal to plus 3, so x cube minus 1 by x cube will be equal to x plus 1 by x whole cube. What was the formula? X plus 1 whole cube minus 3a plus b, minus 3a plus b. So it will be 3 cube plus 3 cube minus 3 into plus 3. So it will be, just a minute, so 3 cube, 27 minus 9. So it will be 18. So 18 will be the answer of one case. Another case, when
স্যার
হ্যাঁ বলো বলো শুনছি।
কোয়েশ্চেনে তো দেওয়া আছে এক্স গ্রেটার দ্যান 0, তাহলে আনসার প্লাস মাইনাসে আসবে কেন?
x greater than 0,
হুম
হ্যাঁ দেখো x, let me see, x is greater than 0. Yes, that you can say. That is a good observation. If it is given x is greater than 0, then x plus 1 by x value will not be, suppose it is, yes, x is greater than 0, so x is positive. Let me see. So positive number 1 by positive number. So yes, correct, good observation. So there will be a change. আচ্ছা আমার অপশনে কি প্লাস মাইনাস 3 ছিল, মানে প্লাস মাইনাস দিয়ে आंसर ছিল না only প্লাস? In my answer কি
প্লাস
only plus না? Yes, good observation.
হ্যাঁ স্যার
Since you see, good observation. Since x is, thank you, greater than 0, therefore x plus 1 by x should always be greater than 0. Therefore minus 3 is rejected. Therefore x plus 1 by x equal to only plus 3. Correct. So I have to use this. Very good. Thank you. Correct. So don't put over here. Let me do it. Yes. Okay. So in the next slide, we will see. You don't have to do that. So putting x minus 1 by x will do your job. Okay. You just write this. Okay. So that's the problem. So this is your answer. Okay. 18 is your answer. Yes. Since x is greater than 0, additional information is given. So definitely if you add up two positive numbers, 1 by x will also be positive, obviously. So if you add up positive numbers, it will not be a negative number. ওকে, বাট দ্য রাইটিং শুড বি লাইক দিস, মানে এভাবে লিখতে হবে কিন্তু এখানে। ওকে, সিন্স এভাবে লিখতে হবে, প্লিজ সি, এইভাবে লেখাটা কিন্তু এভাবে লিখতে হবে। সিন্স x is greater than 0, therefore 1 by x, x plus 1 by x greater than 0, therefore x plus 1 by x is plus 3. Okay, so that's it, your solution. If you have any doubt you can ask, otherwise we will end the class over here. Basically you can put the value over here only, you don't need to go to the next page. I thought there will be two cases, so I went to the next page. Okay,
Tata sir.
yes, yes, again after dinner you will join. I'm giving the time, it will be 10:20 maybe. Okay, let me see what's the time now. So in 9:56 it will be 10:20, 25. Okay, okay, thank you. I am stopping the recording. I hope you have understood all the solutions.